everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Happy Father's Day. You guys will probably see this after Father's Day, so I hope you guys had a good one and you got your grills fired up, threw something delicious on it to eat. Today, I'm going to be doing some grilled lobsters. I got whole lobsters, it's going to be delicious. That's what I'm having for my Father's Day. I'll probably be sharing with one or two people as well. Let's take a look at what we're doing and I'll show you how I get them done on the Pit Boss. Oh, here's what we're working with. We've got whole, live Atlantic Canada lobsters here. I picked these up fresh from my local grocery store and that's it. I'm going to show you how I prepare one. I'm not going to show you how I do all of them. It'll all be the same. So I'll show you how I prepare one so you guys can do it yourself, or if you got a better way or you just want to do it a totally different way, go for it. It's your cook. You guys do it how you want. But I'll show you how I do it. So let me get one of these guys ready and show you how to prepare it. Okay, the Pit Boss is coming up to temp. I'm going to be grilling these at 225 degrees today. I've done them at higher temps. Only at higher temps, it seems that the meat in the claw sticks to the shell. So we're going to do it at a lower temp today and hopefully avoid the claw meat sticking to the shell. Let's get one of these out. As you can see, whole live lobsters. Now, in order to do this so that you don't waste any time, and maybe wasting time is not the right word to say, the fastest way to do this, you'll see there's a line that runs right along the center of the head there. So basically you want to take your knife right at the back, push down through it, and right down. And that's it. That's the fastest way and the most easiest way without hurting the lobster too much to take it out. I'm just going to set that off to the side. I'll get one more guy over here for you guys. Just to show you one last time. I don't know if you guys can pick it up or not, but you see there's a line right there. You just want to follow that line across. Just like so. The line, through, down, done. That's it. That's all it is to it. So let me get all these prepared. We'll pick back up and we're going to throw them on the grill. Pit Boss has come up to temp now. We're sitting at 225. Start putting these guys on. It doesn't matter which way you want to put them on, however you want to put them on. Just throw them in there. And that's it. Like that. Throw them in there. Get them on. There we go. All of them are on. There's 10 of them there. That's how many are on the grill. Like I said, we're running this at 225 degrees. So we're going to let this go probably about 10-15 minutes. We'll take a look. And I'll probably just flip them over from there. And show you that. Alright, we've been 15 minutes. Let's take a look and see what we got so far. So far so good. Don't have much color change yet. The tails are starting to get changed up on color. I'm going to flip them all over now. Rotate them around, flip them over. And I'm also going to turn the temp up to 250 degrees now at this point. One click, done. 250 degrees. Get them all flipped over. The undersides are starting to turn a nice orange. So now, flip them over and get the top sides getting a nice orange on them now. at that. Now we'll close down the lid. All right, another 20 minutes has gone by since we bumped the temp up to 250 and flipped them over. Here's what we're looking at. Pretty much done at this point. I'm going to let them go for another 5 or so minutes. Then I'll be pulling them off. Show you guys what they look like. All right, we're finished off the grill. Let's see what we got. I temp these out, and they're temping out anywhere between 165 and 175, which is good. You want an internal of at least 140 degrees when you're cooking these. So let's finish slicing it right down the tail now. And there we go. Our lobster is now in half. See, the meat is very nice right through. Just wipe my knife. Dig a little piece out for you guys just to see. There you go. Look at that. I'll be washing all that stuff off later and whatnot. Just get a little piece here. Get right down. Hopefully you guys can see me in this. I don't know if you can, but give it a bite. Now that is cooked great. Now for the claw, just take the blunt end of the knife, just hit it. Just like that. Break it. Now you get your claw meat out. There you go. Claw meat. Yeah, you guys deshell it however you want. Nicely cooked. All in all, I'd say this one is grilled to perfection. Take a bite. Oh wow. Delicious. Well, that's how you grill whole live lobsters. Hope you guys like this one. Try it out. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys all on the next one. Bye.